If you're looking for a quality dynamic microphone for your podcast, events, or any content creation, I'm telling you, this is something to look at because the price is definitely nice. Let's go. Welcome back to We Shoot Films, where I teach content creators and entrepreneurs how to build their brand or business with the art of video and audio. So if that's you, make sure to subscribe today. Now, Fifine sent me over their dynamic microphone, and I gotta already say, spoiler, I love it. You know what I mean? But before I continue, let me just say all my words are my own. They sent this over for me to review, and that's what it is. I'm gonna do what I gotta do. I keep saying I got bars, man. I got bars. All right, let's get into it. Now, like I said, this is the Condenser XLR dynamic microphone from Fifine, and it's amazing. As you hear, it sounds amazing. It looks like a tank because it is a tank. I mean, this thing is built from all metal, and it's got a nice little weight to it, but yet not too heavy, but it don't feel cheap. You feel me? So it's official. It definitely is official. It replaced my other microphone because I love the sound that it has. And also what I love is the mid boost and low cut filter, so you can tailor it to your own voice. The frequency response is from 50 hertz to 15K. It is a cardioid polar pattern. And I gotta say, it's definitely a low noise microphone. Also, remember this, do not have phantom power on. You do not need phantom power for this type of microphone. Now, with every microphone, you always gotta be careful with the pop or your P's, your plosives. So you don't really want, this microphone handles them pretty good, but at the same time, everybody got their way of doing their plosives. Some people push hard on their P's and some people don't. Now, I would say the safe place to have this is about 4 inches away from you, something like that. If you have it right close up and you're just talking, them plosives are gonna kind of disrupt some things. So just be careful with that. But if you keep it at about 4 inches away, you should be fine. Now, at the moment, this microphone is only $103. They're at a limited time deal, so get it ASAP. You feel me? Usually this thing goes for about $130, something like that. Check prices. You know, I don't know when you're gonna watch this, but you know, no matter what, even if the sale isn't around, for this type of microphone and the way it sounds, it's really worth every dollar you spend. Like, this is something that's really worth it. I'm very big on microphones. I love them because, you know, a microphone is very important. Choosing the right microphone is very important depending on what you're doing. You know, these type of microphones are pretty much my favorite because you don't have to worry about having a room that's treated. You feel me? So, because it's very directional pretty much. And it's going to not pick up everything around you, you know, so it's a good microphone to have, especially, like I said, if you don't have a treated room. But this microphone can basically do everything from events to podcasts to, as what I'm doing right now, content creation. All right, so like I said, in the back of the microphone, you have a low cut filter and a mid boost. So right now, I'm gonna put the low cut filter on. All right, so right now you're listening to it with the low cut filter on. 1, 2, 1, 2. What you gonna do? Is the tank one for you? Is it the truth? I know. And this is with the low cut filter off. And I like it like this. I like to have more of a podcasty, broadcast, you know, type of vibe with the lows in there still. So I like that. But, you know, you might not like it, but there you go. This is what this sounds like now. So now, let's go with the mid boost off, because I have the mid boost on, you know, so this is what it sounds like with the mid boost on. So now let's turn it off. And now this is what this sounds like with the mid boost off. This is just straight regular, nothing on there. It's just straight up, you know, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, you know. Let's actually do them both where they're both off than just regular. Okay, so now we have the low cut filter off and the mid boost off. All right, and this is just straight. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Me, myself, this sounds cool, but I like the other way, so I'm gonna change it. All right, so now we're back. All right, this is the way I like it. This is the way it sounds. Like I said, this thing sounds great. I mean, it really does. I mean, and I love the build, and I love the look of it. Just nice black, the Fifine lettering on it. It doesn't bother me at all. It's a nice gray. You know what I'm saying? It don't bother me. It's a nice looking microphone. And don't get me wrong, we are going for a sound, but we also go for a look. Let's keep it 100. You know, we like our stuff to look good too. You know, not just sound good or perform good. We want it to look good. And I gotta say, this microphone looks amazing. This microphone is for everyone who's doing content creating, any events, you know, podcasts, obviously. If you're in a room that's not treated, like I said, you're gonna be perfect with this. Instead of a room that's untreated and you have a microphone that's omnidirectional, that's just picking up everything in the room. You don't want that, trust me. Some people might say it doesn't have USB-C, and that's fine, y'all. Like, it's XLR. I get it. Everybody nowadays love USB-C, and it's easier to plug into your iPhone or your desktop or your laptop. But this is a little bit more professional. You know, when you're dealing with XLR, you're always going to have a better sound, a more perfect, you know, connection. It's just going to sound better. So if you're looking for a professional sound, all right, at a great price, and that also looks amazing, you might want to consider this one right here, the Fifine Tank 1. Now, do I have any cons about this? The only con I say I would have, if I had to say it, is I do wish the plosives wasn't, you know, I wish I can get a little closer without worrying about the plosives. I wish they would have brought the mic maybe more lower and gave it more headroom so the plosives don't just attack it too much. But that's me nitpicking. You know, at the end of the day, this sounds good. It sounds good. It does what it's supposed to do. That's just me being a little extra picky. You know what I mean? But yeah, that would be my only con. Other than that, it's an amazing product, and I think Fifine. You know, I always wonder if I'm saying their name right. Fifine. All right, you know what I mean. Thank you for sending this out to me. I appreciate it. I really do appreciate you supporting the channel. And other than that, y'all, you know, the links will be in the description below. Leave me some comments if you want to, you know, ask me any questions. I'll answer them. Other than that, y'all, hopefully this helped you out if you're looking for something like this. Subscribe, hit the bell on the side so you get notified on time. And like I always say, it is what it is. I'm out, y'all.